Today I'm going to review ClickVio, the email builder product that is getting released on JVZoo. So I'm going to give you full details of this product and how it is useful for affiliate marketing or any online businesses, right? So I'm going to give you the demo of the product so that you can see all the features of this product. And I will also give my opinion on how this product fits into your online business model. So watch this video till the end to get full features of this product and also exciting bonuses available as part of this product. So let's look into this. So this is a ClickVio, this email drag and drop email builder. Is getting released on JVZoo. So the vendor is Neil Napier, and it is coming on October 20th, 11 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. So we're going to go over the product overview. So what is in the members area, and what exactly is the sales page, and what is the product that is actually giving, and what are the upgrades, what is good, what is not good, and a quick summary of this product. So I will show you all the details. So let's look at sales page and what are the features of this product. This is basically a drag and drop email builder that improves your opens and clicks. So get more sales without changing your current autoresponder, smart, easy to use email builder, right? Retargeting email openers, use scarcity inside emails. So there is a free commercial license included. So you can sell dynamic and interactive emails to clients, unbeatable price. So this is the product. Right, this is basically a limited time one-time offer because most of the email autoresponders comes with monthly prices. So this you are getting for one-time offer. And let us see. So this is basically some emails. So basically here, so using this software, you can double your clicks, you can engage them more. You can start also email marketing agency because they are giving email free commercial license, and zero writing skills, built for instant use, right? Convert on the fence, right? Boost your ROI. Let's look at what else is there. So you can also do like retargeting in the ClickVio. So you can increase your subscribers using this. It works on any screen. So basically it's a mobile first technology that is being used by ClickVio. So it works on any screen as a desktop, tablet, smartphone, right? A tab or any iOS and Android phone, right? And so basically you just need to select pre-written templates, and then if you like the templates, use the templates, and then import to your autoresponders. So these are some templates available, and you can use them to an Instagram post, add a YouTube video link, insert image, right? You can add a countdown timer in your email, add call to action button as well, and insert social links. So these are some of the features available. So you can also use insert location, dividers, one-click ad spacer, and then you can just copy this and paste it into your autoresponder, right? Any autoresponder that you are using, so you can paste it into them and start sending your emails, right? So it works with the major autoresponders, right? All these HubSpot, Aweber, MailChimp, Mailvio, ActiveCampaign, GetResponse and all. So if you want to get one of the autoresponders, I am giving a link for GetResponse free 30-day trial in the description. you can use that link to sign up for the GetResponse email marketing software, right? So you can get so if you start using this, you get better ROI, sell and dynamic interactive emails to businesses, increase conversions and higher engagement. Right. So let's look at the actual demo of the product and see what are the features available. So this is the actual product that you're going to get once you buy the software. So it has a list of email creators, right? These are all the emails that are created before. So we can create new emails. So you can just say test, right? So we can select a template for our emails, right? Say Purple Moon, Corporate, Yellow, Fashion Store, Interior Design, or simple basic template, right? So you can select that. So you see, immediately this email is comes under mobile format. So it's a mobile front end first technology. So you can actually preview this email. So let's save this. It is saved. So let's preview. Right. So now we can preview in the desktop format or iPad, tablet, right, or mobile. Right. So automatically your emails are responsive, and you don't need to worry about it, right? So once you find once you are good with your email, so you can just go to HTML output, MGML output, JSON object. You can just take HTML output and put it into your actual autoresponder, right? You can download this and just add it to your autoresponder. And so you can also add additional things. So let's close the preview, and you can add text. You can do Insta post, YouTube, location, right, image, countdown, all those things, right? You can just add any countdown timer to your email, right? So you can just do the settings and all. Right, you can do a space divider and social sharing, right? You can just add a social sharing, and so you can just connect to your social sharing and add it here, right? So these are the things available. So basically, so whenever you create an email, it's automatically is all devices friendly, and you don't need to test it again and again, right? So that way it will save a lot of time. So once you are happy with it, you can download, integrate into your autoresponder, and start running your campaign. So it's a very simple product and easy to use product, right? So these are the various emails that are generated, right? You can see different emails are created. You can just see what are the formats and all. Like say you can put videos, images, Instagram post, location, and all that, all ready made. And so if you have some confusion, there is a support available, and there is a nice training available on the product. So this is all the documentation available, what is the walkthrough of the actual software. Then we have so overview of the email builder, how to log into your account, what is the dashboard page, what are the templates, right? All this. So the training is very good. So the training is available if there is any confusion and things so. It's a very simple software, and it makes writing emails easier because you get a lot of templates as well. Pre-built templates, and so if you buy upgrades, you get more templates and also access to a mailing software called Mailvio for 2 months free access you get with this software. So let us see what are the upgrades available. The front end is coming at $34. So then there is Vertigo 1, ClickVio, done for you, unlimited emails. That is coming at $97. Then Vertigo 2 is at $297 for 100 accounts, $497 for 1000 accounts. And Vertigo 3 is ClickVio plus 5Vio bonus business, so that's $57. And Vertigo 4 is MeetVio with ClickVio, that's coming at $197 per year and $497 one time. Vertigo 5 is FunnelVio commercial at $97. I actually included all the descriptions and details of these Vertigos in the description section of this video. So go to the description section and you can see all the features of these Vertigos. So what are you getting in each of these Vertigos and what are the benefits and the cost. Right. So let's look at what is good. This software works. The training is very good and there is a lot of done for you templates. And also, if you don't have an email marketing software, there is a free access to Mailvio, so that enables you to send mails for up to 25k emails for 2 months using Mailvio. So that's a good starting point for beginners. So what is not too good? So the software is good. Only thing is you need to have a autoresponder for email sending or running your email marketing campaigns. This is basically the email builder, like drag and drop email builder, which is mobile friendly, and so you need a separate autoresponder to run your email marketing, affiliate marketing or online business campaigns. So here is the summary. The software is good. They have like done for you email templates. Then there is a 2 months free access to Mailvio, which is good for beginners. So if you don't have any autoresponder, you can start using Mailvio for your campaigns and start marketing your online business or affiliate marketing. That's why I'm providing a rating of 7 out of 10. And so you can go to the sales page and look at all the details of this product. And if you have any questions, you can comment in this comment section of this video. Subscribe to Ravi Bandaru to view the latest videos I post on the channel, and share these videos to your friends to pass on the benefits to your friends. And click on the bell icon to get notifications on latest videos I upload in the channel. And if you have any questions or comments related to this video or any other related questions, put it in the comment section. I will reply within 24 hours.